Ryan here with Quantum Wellness. Today I want to talk about stem cells and muscle recovery. When you train intensely, especially with resistance training, you are intentionally creating controlled damage in the muscle tissue. This damage is what triggers the body to rebuild the muscles stronger and more resilient. But the real heroes that repair the process are your stem cells and your satellite cells. These micro tears are the first step in muscle growth during training, especially when you're training with heavy resistance, eccentric loading, high volume training, or any type of new novel movement patterns. Muscle fibers experience micro tears in the myofibrils. This damage causes local inflammation, calcium signal changes, release of growth factors. These signals attract stem cells and satellite cells to the damaged muscle. Think of it like sending a distress signal to the body's repair system. Satellite cells, the muscle stem cells. These satellite cells are a specialized type of muscle stem cells that live between the muscle fiber membranes and the basal lamina of the muscle. Normally, they remain dormant, but when training damage occurs, they become activated. And once activated, they multiply. This is called proliferation. They differentiate into muscle cells and they fuse with damaged muscle fibers. They donate nuclei to muscle cells. This is why this matters. Muscle fibers are limited in how large they can grow without any additional myonuclei. Stem cells donate these nuclei, so more nuclei equals a greater capacity for protein synthesis, muscle repair, and muscle hypertrophy. This is one reason advanced athletes can continue to build muscle over years. Stem cells in circulation help to support this process. Stem cells released into circulation can enhance satellite cell activity, support tissue regeneration, improve vascular repair, and improve connective tissue healing. They also release growth factors such as IGF-1, hepatic growth factors, and fibroblast growth factors. These signals accelerate muscle regeneration, faster recovery between your workouts. So for athletes, training frequency, recovery speed determines your performance. Stem cells support recovery by helping repair your muscle fibers, restoring damaged contractile proteins, your tendons and ligaments. They support collagen rebuilding, blood vessels, improving nutrient delivery. They support your mitochondria. They support cellular energy production. This helps athletes to train harder and sooner, more effectively. Now, let's talk about DOOMS. Delayed onset muscle soreness occurs due to inflammation, structural damage, immune response. Stem cells help to regulate inflammation by releasing anti-inflammatory cytokines, which can reduce tissue swelling, nerve irritation, and recovery time. Athletes often notice less soreness and faster readiness for the next workout. Improved adaptation to training. When training adaptations occur, when recovery exceeds baseline, stem cells help to support this by enabling muscle hypertrophy, greater satellite cell fusion, which means larger muscle fibers, connective tissue strengthening, improved tendon and ligament repair, improved capillary density, improved oxygen and nutrition delivery, improved mitochondrial function, better endurance and energy production. This means athletes can train and adapt to higher training loads over time. Now, when it comes to aging and the stem cells, if you're over the age of 35, satellite cell activity often declines. Stem cell mobilization declines. Muscle recovery slows. This contributes to longer recovery times, increased risk for injury, reduced hypertrophy potential. So supporting stem cell activity can help offset this decline. Practical benefits for athletes. So for our athletes and bodybuilders, this can translate into faster recovery between workouts, improved muscle repair, greater hypertrophy potential, reduced injury risk, better connective tissue resilience, sustained training volume, which ultimately means better long-term performance. Training breaks down the muscles, stem cells build it stronger. The more efficiently you can metabolize stem cells, the better your body can recover, repair, and adapt to training. So how stem regen supports your body's own stem cell. And it does this by helping stimulate the release of your body's own adult stem cells from the bone marrow into circulation. These circulating stem cells act as your body's natural repair system, traveling through the bloodstream to areas of tissue stress or injury where they support healing and regeneration. The formula contains proprietary blends of plant extracts that have been shown to metabolize stem cells, increasing the number of circulating repair cells available to support tissue maintenance, recovery, and overall vitality. With a serving of 2 capsules, research associated with the formula suggests the body can release up to approximately 10 million additional stem cells into circulation within 1 to 3 hours of taking the product. These circulating stem cells can then migrate to areas that need repair, helping support muscle recovery after training, tissue repair and regeneration, reduced inflammation, and overall cellular renewal. In terms of stem regen, it helps to activate your body's natural repair system by increasing the number of stem cells available to help maintain and restore healthy tissue. So for more information on our new product, please reach out directly, or you can use our affiliation link in the description. Thanks for listening, and talk to you all soon.